Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. So this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start video to posting anytime. So you can see this picture, you can see the gaming room, beautiful gaming room. You can see the cats and the monitor, the chair of the pink color. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the wings and all very beautiful wings, looking very beautiful, very good decoration and design. And it's also very beautiful. You can see everything is very beautiful. The up mirror, you can see the blue color lights and all very beautiful. This also the stairs are very beautiful. The lights, the heart shape, the down you can see white color and the LED type, maybe I don't know what it is. It's also very beautiful. You can see the chair, the LED lights, very beautiful decoration and design. The floor you can see wooden color theme. It's also very beautiful. You can see the plants and the cupboard, the TV and all. You can see beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the LED lights, the mirror lights. You can see beautiful. The table, you can see water table and all. Very beautiful, very good decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bulbs and all, very beautiful, very good decoration. The bed and all very beautiful. This also you can see the monitor, the one monitor, the gaming room, very beautiful. The gaming room, you can see the TV, the screen, the keyboards and all very beautiful. This one, the backside, the bed, you can see the backside lights and all. The floor, you can see the mat and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful and see very beautiful decoration and design. You can see the blue color light and all very beautiful light, and the pictures you can see maybe family picture or friend. This also the candle and the small plants and all very beautiful. Made this studying for studying. You can sit here. Beautiful decoration. This also very beautiful. You can see the purple color lights and all. The bed and the floor, very beautiful decoration and design. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the LED lights and all, and the mirror. You can see the guitar. You can see the wall, the guitar and all, very beautiful. This one, the plants, the mirror and the wall and all very beautiful. This decoration. This is also very beautiful. The floor, you can see wooden color theme floor, the mirror blue color cotton and all, the green color wall, the bed, very beautiful decoration. The blue color, this is also very beautiful. Purple color bed. It's the ever room I like. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the table, the blue color bed and all very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so when I post my new video you will get the notification first if you like this video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye. See you.